Hello everyone, I am Arshan Sheikh, a student at IIPS DAVV Indore, and today we are going to discuss the questions of the third internal of data science, which is a quiz-based round. So our first question is which of the following best describes the term data science? A field that uses programming languages exclusively for data manipulation, a field combining computer science, statistics, and data analysis to extract insights from data, a discipline focused on mathematical modeling and regression techniques, a technique for data visualization using graphical tools. So the correct answer for this is B, a field combining computer science, statistics, and data analysis to extract insights from data. Our second question is, which of the following is a key difference between hypothesis-driven and data-driven research paradigms in data science? Uh, so, so first option is hypothesis-driven research begins with a specific questions, while data-driven research starts with available data. Hypothesis B is hypothesis-driven research deals only with structured data, while data-driven research deals with unstructured data. C is data-driven research is more focused on statistical analysis whereas hypothesis-driven research uses machine learning. D, we have there is no significant difference between hypothesis-driven and data-driven research. So the correct answer for this is A. Hypothesis-driven research begins with a specific question, while data-driven research starts with available data. So our third question is, if you have a data set consisting of customer name, phone numbers, and email addresses, which type of data would this most likely represent? A. Structured data, B. Unstructured data, C. Quantitative data, or D. Categorical data. So the correct answer is A. Structured data. Our fourth question is, given a data set of students' exam scores, which of the following would be an appropriate measure to centrality for a skewed distribution? A. Arithmetic mean, B. Mode, C. Median, and D. Variance. So the correct answer for this is C. Median. So our next and fifth question is, a data scientist is comparing two data sets of customer demographics. Dataset A includes height as a number while dataset B includes height as a string. Example 6 feet or 7 or 5'7". What is the primary issue with dataset B? It uses the wrong format for categorical data. B. The data is not in a format that can be easily analyzed mathematically. C. The dataset contains unnecessary text. And D. It violates the principle of data compatibility due to differing data types. So the correct answer for this is B. The data is not in a format that can be easily analyzed mathematically. Our sixth question is, suppose you have a data set with missing values and you need to clean it before further analysis. Which of the following actions would you take to handle missing data? So option A is ignore the missing data and proceed with analysis. B. Remove rows with missing values regardless of the impact. C. Use imputation techniques like replacing missing values with the mean or median of the data set. And D. Randomly filling missing data with arbitrary values. The correct answer for this is option C. Use imputation techniques like replacing missing values with the mean or median of the dataset. Our seventh question is, which of the following data types is not typically a characteristic of big data? A. High variety, B. High velocity, C. High volume, and D. Low complexity. So the correct answer for this is option D, low complexity. Our eighth question is, what is the primary reason for using correlation analysis in data science? Option A is to determine the cause of an observed relationship between two variables, B to find the degree to which two variables are related, C to check if two variables are independent, and D to perform hypothesis testing on a dataset. So the correct answer for this is option B, to find the degree to which two variables are related. Our ninth question is, you are given a data set with the following features: age, income, and education level. You need to predict whether a person will purchase a product or not. Which type of problem is this? A. Regression, B. Classification, C. Clustering, or D. Association. The correct answer for this is B. Classification. Our tenth question is, you have a data set with missing values in the age column, which is a quantitative. You are deciding between using the mean or the median to fill in the missing data. Which of the following situations would make the median a better choice than the mean? A. The distribution of age column is normal. B. The age column has extreme outliers. C. The data is categorical, not numerical. D. There are no missing values in the age column. So the correct answer for this is option B. The age column has extreme outliers. Our 11th question is, which of the following statements about correlation is true? A correlation of zero implies that two variables are causally related. B. A correlation of one means there is no linear relationship between two variables. C. A negative correlation means that as one variable increases, the other decreases. And D. Correlation implies causation. So the correct answer for this is option C. A negative correlation means that as one variable increases, the other decreases. The next and the 12th question is, given that data is often messy and inconsistent, which of the following approaches would you take to ensure the data set is clean and analyzable? A. Conduct exploratory data analysis before cleaning the data. B. Starting by removing all rows with missing values. C. Using automated data cleaning tools without examining the data. And D. Examine the data for errors and inconsistencies and address them systematically. So the correct answer for this is option D. We will examine the data for errors and or inconsistencies and address them systematically. Now the 13th question is, which of the following would be considered an artifact in the data cleaning process? A. Missing values that cannot be recovered. B. A power outage that corrupts the dataset during acquisition. Systematic problem introduced during the data cleaning process. Or D. Errors in the data that cannot be fixed by correction methods. So the correct answer for this is option C. A systematic problem introduced during the data cleaning processes. Our 14th question is, which data format is commonly used for structured data and can be easily processed in databases? A. JSON, B. CSV, C. XML, or D. Audio files. The correct answer is option B. CSV. So our 15th question is, you are comparing two data sets. One contains a list of customer names and emails, and the other contains purchase histories. Which of the following would be more important to check before merging the datasets? A. Whether both datasets are in CSV format, whether the email addresses are consistently formatted in both datasets, whether one dataset is larger than the other, or D. Whether both datasets contain missing values. So the correct answer for this is option B, whether the email addresses are consistently formatted in both datasets. So our 16th question is, what is the main purpose of data imputation? So the options are A, to remove records with missing data, B, to estimate missing values based on available data, C, to detect outliers in the dataset, and D, to convert categorical data into numerical format. So the correct answer for this is option B, to estimate missing values based on available data. The 17th question is, which of the following methods is commonly used in outlier detection? A. K-means clustering, B. Z-score, C. Random forest imputation, or D. Min-max scaling. So the correct answer for this is option B, Z-score. Our 18th question is, which statistical distribution is commonly used to model the number of successes in a fixed number of independent trials with the same probability of success? A. Normal distribution, B. Poisson distribution, C. Binomial distribution, or D. Power law distribution. The correct answer for this is option C, binomial distribution. The question 19th is, what does mean value imputation assume about the data when filling missing values? A. Missing value should be replaced with a value that most accurately represents the missing features. B. Missing values are randomly distributed and can be replaced with any random number. C. Missing values should be filled using the values of the nearest data points. D. Missing values are best left unfilled and excluded from analysis. So the answer for this is option A. Missing value should be replaced with a value that most accurately represents the missing feature. The 20th and the last question is, which of the following is a common technique for filling missing values when using mean value imputation? Option A is replacing missing values with the mode of the data, replacing missing values with a random value, replacing missing values with the mean of the known values in the dataset. Option D, replace missing values using the nearest neighbor of each data point. The correct answer for this is option C, replacing missing values with the mean of the known values in the dataset. So that's are all the questions and their answers. Thank you.